Good morning, Professor. Myself, Sujantim Sinha. Today, I am here to discuss the environmental, social, and governance (ESG) performance of Unilever. Unilever, one of the world's largest consumer good companies, as we all know. As consumer and investor, we, all the stakeholders, are increasingly interested in how business impact the world around them. So let's dive into Unilever sustainability initiatives and where they stand on ESG issues. Let's begin our presentation from the first slide. As we all know, environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors are playing an increasingly important role in business decisions, especially in the European Union, where KPMG studies reports that 96% of the large companies focus in sustainability, mostly the European companies. ESG is the front and center for each and every business. Unilever, as a major global player in the consumer goods industry, recognizes the importance of this principle. So, throughout this presentation, we are going to take a very closer look at Unilever's ESG initiatives, where they have achieved success and where they may achieve in further. Let's move to the next slide. Let's start by understanding the of Unilever operations. They are not just a big company. They are a global force in the consumer goods world. In 2023, Unilever's sales reached at 59.6 billion, as I have highlighted in the presentation below. That's more money than some small countries make in a year. For an example, Bangladesh, Nepal, Pakistan, etc. To make all that happen, they have 128,000 people working and operating in more than 190 countries. They are so big, everything what they do it matters to all the stakeholders. The choices they make about the environment or how they treat their workers, those choices can change things across the globe. This globe footprint and significant revenue demonstrate Unilever's position as a major player in the consumer goods industry, making its ESG efforts all the more impactful. Let's move to the next slide. Moving on to environmental sustainability, Unilever is serious about helping the environment. They have set a very big goal, reach zero net emissions by 2039, which basically means they won't be putting more pollution into the air. What they can take out, that's a long way off, but they have already made a good start. They have cut down the pollution they make from their factories and fridges by whooping 74%. They are also using more good stuff like sunshine and wind power instead of dirty fuels for their energy. In fact, 92% of their energy comes from renewable resources, which is like using a supersized solar panel farm. Furthermore, in the fiscal year 2023, 92% of Unilever's total energy consumption came from renewable resources, showcasing its commitment to transforming towards a more sustainable energy mix. This is a good news for our planet. Less pollution and more clean energy means a healthier world for everyone. Unilever water stewardship. Water conservation is another crucial aspect of Unilever's environmental efforts. The company consumed 30 million cubic meter of water and withdrew 11.5 million cubic meter from high water stressed areas. Unilever needs water to make its product, but they know water is important for everyone, so they are working hard to save water. This is tricky because they use a lot. Some places where they work don't have enough water already. That's why Unilever has a goal. Start 100 special water programs by 2030. These programs will help them use less water and keep it clean. They have mentioned that in their ESG report. They will also work with communities to make sure everyone has the water they need. These programs aim to reduce water usage, improve water quality, and promote sustainable water management practices in the communities where Unilever operates. The Unilever has increased its use of recycled plastic by 22% and has reduced its virgin plastic by 18% in 2023, with a target to reach a 40% reduction by 2028. Additionally, Unilever has collected 61% of its worldwide plastic packaging footprint, demonstrating its commitment to reducing plastic waste and promoting recycling. Unilever is serious about tackling the problem of plastic waste. They know we throw away too much of it and it ends up polluting our world and environment. They are finding ways to use less new plastic and much more recycled stuff. They are also collecting more of the plastic they do use so it can turn into something new instead of going into landfills. Our half the plastic they use gets collected from recycling, but they are not going it alone. They are collaborating with organizations like the Ellen MacArthur Foundation and the Consumer Goods Forum. Unilever is working with environment groups to find even better ways to reuse and recycle plastic so they can make a change for the environment. Let's move to the next slide. Unilever social sustainability. In terms of social sustainability, Unilever has set a goal to achieve gender balance across management positions by 2025, which is coming next year. Currently, women hold 36% of senior leadership roles and 55% of lower management positions. The company also conducts supplier diversity programs in various markets worldwide. Unilever social initiatives extend beyond its own operation, as evidenced by the Lifebuoy hand-washing campaign, which has helped over 1 billion people adopt good hand-washing habits, promoting health and hygiene in communities globally. Unilever governance. Effective governance is essential for driving ESG performance. Unilever's board of directors consists of 12 members, with an impressive 45% being women. The company places great emphasis on ethical conduct with 100% of its employees completing mandatory training on the Code of Business Principles in 2023. To further align executive incentives and sustainability goals, 25% of the CEO annual bonus is tied to the attainment of sustainability target. If they meet the sustainability target, then the CEO will get the annual bonus, demonstrating Unilever's commitment to integrating ESG into leadership and decision-making process. Next slide. Now, recommendation in conclusion. After a brief study of ESG report, I have write some of the recommendations for the Unilever. While Unilever has made significant progress in its ESG journey, there are still areas of improvement that I can recommend that Unilever to prioritize transparency in its supply chain, accelerate its transition to a circular economy, and strengthen its commitment to diversity, equity, and inclusion. By focusing on these areas, Unilever can further enhance its ESG performance and meet the evolving expectation of its stakeholders. In conclusion, Unilever has demonstrated the strong leadership in integrating ESG principles into business, strategy, and operation. The company progress is reducing environmental impact, promoting social responsibility, and ensuring ethical governance practices position it as a front runner in the consumer good industries. However, to maintain its ESG leadership, Unilever must continue to set ambitious targets, invest in innovative solutions, and collaborate with stakeholders to drive systematic change. Thank you.